I'm Michelle
And I'm Lori.
for Rolling on TV. Today we're going up to Windham, Maine to Lee's Family Trailer Sales and Service. And we're going up there to have a couple of things installed on Emma, our Grand Design. And then we'll be bringing her home tomorrow.
Randy, the service tech on our project, handles this 150-pound box like it's a bag of potatoes. Dennis is also working on our project. And what is our project? After learning that most travel trailers don't have shock absorbers and that travel trailers can experience shaking on the road that measures 3.2 on the earthquake Richter scale, we decided to install the Roadmaster shock absorbers and Comfort Ride slipper spring system. While Randy and Dennis are installing the Roadmaster system, let's find out more about Lee's Family Trailer Sales and Service. They have a huge inventory here, and Dan Crosby, the owner, has kindly agreed to show us around.
Yes, welcome to Maine. This is a 29 Go, 29 Go. And it's got a beautiful open deck to put your ATVs or motorcycles. It's got, use it for a deck after. You can, there's a cooking station out there, television. We just got a Solus from Winnebago. We've already sold a few of them. We got our first one in, and it's the old style VW Westphalia with the pop-up, but what a beautiful layout. Mini Winnies, we can't keep them in stock. They're Class C, fit and finish is beautiful.
They've had a great reputation for a long time, the Mini
terrific,
Winnies.
terrific. Maybach is a Nexus. That's a sold unit, and very, very nice unit. Alliance, we're the fifth wheel capital of New England here at Lee's with 3 lines. We got the Montana, we got the Cougar, we got the Reflection, and we got the Solitude. These are the travel trailers here. We're a big Grand Design dealer. We love the Grand Design. Transcends, Imagines, Reflections.
I remember when they came out with the Transcend. Wasn't it about 3 years ago in Louisville they introduced it?
Yes. Little tabs and tags are on fire. I mean, we bring in 12 and they're gone within a couple weeks. We just sold our first GeoPro, so we're pretty excited to rock with. That's a beautiful unit. So this is, as far as you can see, we purchased 20 acres.
20 acres.
And we'll probably have 7 or 8 as full of RVs, so it's going to be impressive. And we're doing the PDI facility down here. We have a big rental fleet and motorhomes and travel trailers. We'll bring the travel trailer right to your site. We'll show you how to use it. They're a really good way of seeing if you like camping. When I purchased the place, we really put an emphasis on service. So I added 8 more bays, drive-through, large addition to go with the present service building, and we're trying to find some really good RV techs. We're just growing so fast. So if anybody's out there that wants a great career and wants a great place to work, give me a call at Lee's Family Trailer.
Okay, let's check back in on our Roadmaster suspension install. Almost done. Here's a tip. The U-bolts don't come with the suspension kit, as they often don't need new ones. However, this is a really good time to inspect your U-bolts. If they're corroded, it's a good time to replace them. In our case, the job did need longer U-bolts, which held it up for a couple of hours. So just be aware of that. Also, be aware that this lifts the trailer, in our case, 3 inches. So we had to make sure that our weight distribution system didn't need adjusting. And it did not. It was fine. In order to capture the effectiveness of the suspension, before we had the install done, we placed a container of water inside and drove down, very slowly, a bumpy road. Notice the rug on the left. After the installation of the suspension system, we went down that same road to see what happens with the water now. I think what was more interesting is what was happening to the chair on the left and the rug. That's the slider. You can see less bounce after the installation than before, which means the trailer should last longer, components should last longer, less shake in the trailer overall.
So we just left Lee's family trailer in Windham, Maine, and they installed the Roadmaster suspension system. And we're just on the highway now. She feels really good. She's 3 inches higher than she was before. Feels rock solid, very nice to drive. Oh wow. Oh wow. That truck just went by us. I didn't feel it at all. That's a big, big benefit. Anything that causes less anxiety while you're driving, isn't that what it's all about?
Thank you very much to Roadmaster for the suspension system and to Lee's family trailer for helping us get it onto our Emma Grand Design. And we're also very thankful to get her home again. Bye for now. Michelle and Laurie for Rolling on TV.